Respected President, MSPA, Central Assam, Ojabu ikaikhumnakhre, Respected President, Kasa District, Ojabu ikaikhumnakhre, Respected President, Silchar, Braski, Ojabu ikaikhumnakhre. Dear students, it gives us immense pleasure and heartfelt pride for our Meitei Khunai to gather here today at this felicitation program in this gracious presence of our respected Central President, Ojab Ikaikhumnakhre. This special occasion is not only to honor two remarkable achievements of our class 10 and 12 students only, but also to inspire and encourage them to move toward a brighter and more meaningful future. Dear students, today your success has become a proud moment for your parents, teachers, well-wishers, and entire Meitei Khunai also. Your hard work, dedication, sincerity, and discipline have brought you this achievement. Continue to deep improve. Work with honesty and determination and move ahead in life with confidence, humility, and strong values. Dear students, as educated youths, you carry great responsibility towards your family. Society means Meitei Khunai and future generations. Always respect your parents, teachers, elders, and society. Guide your younger brothers and sisters with knowledge. Unity, discipline, and good character. Never forget your roots, culture, and identity. And always stand for the dignity, unity, and progress of Meitei Khunai and Meitei society also. Remember, you are the future strength and hope of our community. Stand united like a strong wall for the welfare and development of Meitei society means Khunai, don't forget it. If Meitei grows stronger, MSPA, Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam will grow stronger too. And together we can build a brighter, united, and successful future for the coming generation. On the behalf of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam, I extend my heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to all the successful students. May your future are bright, meaningful, and filled with greater achievements. Thank you. Thank you very much.